Standard 12. Subject Mathematics. Lesson Line and Plane.
Hello students, today we continue lesson line and plane numericals based on skew lines. In previous video you have seen theorem related to the skew lines to find out distance between skew lines. Let us see example. Question here, find the shortest distance between the lines. Equation of lines are given. R bar is equal to 4i plus j plus lambda times 1i plus 2j minus 3k, and second line equation R bar is equal to 1i minus 1j plus 2k plus mu times of 1i plus 4j minus 5k to find out shortest distance between these two lines. Equation of lines are given in vector form. Generally, vector form for the line is expressed as R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda times B bar, where lambda is a scalar and A bar is the position vector of a given point and B bar is a parallel vector. Here two lines are given. Equations express as R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda times B1 bar. And second equation of line as R bar is equal to A2 bar plus, instead of lambda we take next scalar as a mu times of vector B2 bar. Compare these given equations of lines. And you have seen in previous video formula for finding distance between skew lines, that is given by modulus of A2 bar minus A1 bar dot product with B1 bar cross B2 bar divided by magnitude of B1 bar cross B2 bar. We need to find out first difference A2 bar minus A1 bar. After that, cross product of vectors B1 bar and B2 bar. Then find out magnitude of B1 bar cross B2 bar. Let us first compare with this given equation of lines. Then we can write position vectors for the points and parallel vectors B1 bar and B2 bar. First, vector A1 bar, that is 4i minus j. Next, parallel vector B1 bar, 1i plus 2 times j minus 3 times k for first line. Second line compare, we get vector A2 bar as 1i cap minus 1j cap plus 2k cap. And parallel vector B2 bar is obtained here, 1i plus 4j minus 5k. After comparison, we first return values for the vectors. Now for calculating shortest distance, first take difference A2 bar minus A1 bar. Difference between these two vectors A2 bar minus A1 bar. Check total subtraction here. 1i minus 4i. Difference is minus of 3i. Next minus j, and this minus minus become plus j. It get cancelled. Next, only remaining is 2 times k. So finally, value is obtained minus 3 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 2 times k cap. This is value for A2 bar minus A1 bar. Next, calculation is related to vector product B1 bar with B2 bar. Vector product is always determined using determinant method. Let us see B1 bar cross B2 bar. First row unit vectors ijk. Second row coefficient of vectors B1 bar. Check B1 bar coefficients 1, 2 and minus 3 taken in second row. Third row is for vector b2 bar coefficients of ijk 1, 4 and minus 5. Now solving this determinant along first row. Selecting here first row elements I, J, K as per the position. First is positive, second negative and third we take positive value. Alternating plus minus symbols. First I taken eliminated that corresponding row and column. Remaining 4 entries. Solving this determinant you are known already. Minus 10 minus minus plus 12. Minus 10 plus 12 you will getting 2 times of I cap first value. Minus j into 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus of 1 into minus 3 it will become minus minus plus, that is minus 5 plus 3 minus of 2j and plus k times of 4 minus 2, difference is 2. Hence, determinant value is obtained 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. After getting this vector product value, next calculation is regarding finding magnitude value for b1 bar cross b2 bar, and one more dot product of these two vectors a2 bar minus a1 bar with b1 cross b2. Let us see next step for magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar, that is equal to under root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square magnitude of vector. Squares are obtained. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12, and square root of 12 is 2 root 3. This is the magnitude value. Next calculations performing for dot product of vector a2 bar minus a1 bar dot with b1 cross b2. Check. A2 bar minus a1 bar calculated already here. B1 bar cross B2 bar, cross product of vector also. Taking dot product between these two vectors. Dot product I dot I, J dot J, K dot K. It is 1. Only the 3 terms are exist. So for dot product, first term minus 3 into 2, you will getting value 6, minus 6. Next plus 0 into 2, that is 0, and last 2 into 2, that is product 4. So we take only product for I dot I, J dot K dot K, that is getting 1. Remaining all are 0, that no need to write. So finally your value for dot product is obtained. Minus 6 plus 0 plus 4 is minus 2 value for dot product. Now required calculations are done. We use formula to get the distance between that two lines. Hence next step performing distance between skew lines. Formula, substitute value, dot product answer is minus 2, denominator value cross product magnitude is 2 root 2. After this numerator 2 denominator 2 get cancelled, remaining minus of 1 by root 3, that is magnitude value here we have to take positive answer. Hence required distance is obtained 1 by root 3 unit. Distance between skew lines is obtained 1 by root 3. Let us continue one more problem for finding distance between skew lines. Question here. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Two lines are given R bar. First line A1 bar plus lambda times B1 bar, and second line R bar is equal to A2 bar plus mu times B2 bar. These are the given equations and formula for the shortest distance. Comparing, we get values for first position vectors A1 bar 2i minus j, B1 bar 2i plus 1j minus 3k. Next, value for A2 bar 1i minus 1j plus 2k. And last year, parallel vector B2 bar 2i plus 1j minus 5k. After comparison of the two lines, we obtain position vectors a1 bar, b1 bar, a2 bar and b2 bar. Next, calculation related to the difference of position vector a2 bar minus a1 bar. Difference between these two vectors. 1i minus 2i minus of I minus j minus minus plus j, it becomes 0j and plus 2 times of k. Value obtained minus 1i plus 0j plus 2k. After difference, next calculate b1 bar cross b2 bar vector product obtained by determinant technique. First row unit vectors I, j, k. Second row for vector b1 bar coefficients 2, 1, minus 3 in next row. Last for b2 bar position vector coefficients are 2, 1, minus 5 in third row. Solving determinant along first row. After solving this determinant, I am getting answer for b1 bar cross b2 bar is minus 2i plus 4j plus 0k. Then we need to find out its magnitude value. Magnitude value for b1 bar cross b2 bar is under root of minus 2 square plus 4 square plus 0 square. Minus 2 square positive, that is 4. 4 square 16. So square root of 4 plus 16 plus 0 square 0. Addition total is obtained 20. 20 you can write 5 times 4. So square root is getting 2 times root 5. This is the value for b1 bar cross b2 bar magnitude. For shortest distance, we first need to find out dot product. Calculating dot product for a2 bar minus a1 bar with b1 cross b2. a2 bar minus a1 bar. Vector is obtained here minus 1i plus 0j plus 2k. And b1 cross b2 vector product minus 2i plus 4j plus 0k. Both values substitute here. Dot product value again I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. Only 3 terms exist, remaining are zeros. We take minus 1i into minus 2i, product is 2. 0 into 4, 0. And last 2 into 0, 0. That is 2 plus 0 plus 0. Addition answer is getting 2. And now perform formula for shortest distance between lines. Numerator value dot product is 2 here. Denominator magnitude value calculated 2 root 5. Substitute in this formula. Numerator 2, denominator 2 get cancel. Remaining value 1 by root 5. This is the shortest distance between these two skew lines. So children, today you will learn how to find out shortest distance between any two skew lines. Simple thing, you have provided vector equation of a line. From that vector equation of line, compare with standard form. You are writing position vectors a1 bar, a2 bar, then parallel vectors b1 bar and again b2 bar. For projection, we calculating a2 bar minus a1 bar. And next b1 bar cross b2 bar, that is unit vector parallel to the distance which you are calculating and its magnitude value. After that, in formula we substitute value for dot product a2 bar minus a1 bar with b1 cross b2, divide its magnitude. This is the method for finding the shortest distance between skew lines. In next video, I will explain how to get the shortest distance between the lines if that lines are expressed in Cartesian form. Today we stop here. Like, comment and subscribe my channel.